Huge thank you to Epidemic Sound for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Once I'm done fully editing my videos, I always head to Epidemic Sound for the best copyright-free music. It's extremely easy to use, especially when it comes to finding a particular genre, sound effects, or a theme. It is super easy and convenient to use. For my videos, I always lean towards an R&B vibe or lo-fi music, and a lot of you guys really seem to enjoy the music that I add into my videos. Once you find the song you like, all you have to do is press the download button, and within a few seconds that song is in your music library. From there, I can place that song anywhere I like within my video, along with trimming any parts I don't need from that song, and that's basically it. It's that simple. Epidemic Sound is also available in the App Store, which I love now because when I have some free time, I can always browse through the song recommendations based on my previous downloads for future videos. Try the best copyright-free music for your videos by signing up for a 30-day trial at Epidemic Sound. Use the link in my description box for more information. Once again, thank you Epidemic Sound for supporting the channel. Okay, so let's get into bills first. So rent is the same. We split our rent like I've said in the past, and $75 I paid. My boyfriend pays a little bit more because he makes a little bit more than me. So yeah, that's rent. It's the same for now. Knock on wood. I hope they don't go back up, like go up in rent in the summertime, but I have a feeling they will. But fingers crossed they don't, because we are trying so hard to save, and I feel like it's so impossible to save money with the inflation. This is by far the hardest times to save money, I think. With the money that's coming in and the money that's going out, it just feels like there's never enough to save. And then for lights was $350. Absolutely insane, but that is because we're in January and it is so cold here. It's been 20, 15 degrees, sometimes 0 degrees, and we have to have the heat on at all times. Obviously, I have a cat, so when we're not here, the heat has to stay on. He's, you know, he's a little guy and he needs to stay warm. The minute we like shut the heat off, it gets so cold in this apartment. So we don't shut the heat off. I mean, if we weren't here and we didn't have Milo, then we would shut the heat off, but I have Milo. So anyways, $350 this month with electricity. Insane. I was like hoping that it was gonna be like 128 or like what I've been paying. I absolutely hate it. I cannot wait until the winter is done so we can shut the heat off. Like the electric bill can be less than what it is right now. Because I know next month with February is also a really cold month here, and we're gonna be paying a lot more. Food was $400 altogether this month. We didn't go out to eat. We didn't do any of that. So I paid $200. My boyfriend paid $200. We split that bill. I also had a bill for Milo this month. So we brought him to his last appointment. I think it was like January 5th. It was his last follow-up appointment from the surgery. And I was just such a proud mom. He's completely tumor-free. So he basically survived a rare disease, for those of you that are new here. I'm just so grateful for you guys that were sending in your donations, your love. Thank you so much for everything that you guys have done. Milo is healthy and well, and he's just right on track to a healthy long life. So yeah, that was our last appointment, which cost me $85. By the way, I'm looking down at my notes, so just wanted to put that out there. So yeah, it was $85 at the dentist, and they also suggested for me to do one professional teeth cleaning once a year, and I was like, yeah, sure. So I'm thinking like, because like a teeth cleaning for a human is around like $300. Like for him, it's gonna cost $1,500 to clean his teeth. And I was like, let's hold off on that. Right now, I am brushing his teeth every night, trying to stay on top of that because he does have gingivitis. He was born with it, so he has a lot of plaque buildup on his teeth. So I've been trying my best to brush his teeth every night. He doesn't really give me a fuss. He just sits there. It's just me having to remind myself to do it. Like after he's done eating dinner, brush his teeth because I always forget. And I'm trying not to forget because that bill is absolutely insane. Like I don't think I can afford a $1,500 cleaning for him these days. So I'm gonna try to maintain it myself, which it's doable. The dentist said said, yeah, you can do it yourself, but if you aren't able to keep it up every day, you definitely had to get those teeth professionally cleaned. So it's up to me to brush this little guy's teeth like every night, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. He has a special cat toothbrush. He has special toothpaste for his plaque that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out, if you guys are dealing with your cat or dog that has gingivitis. That stuff that they told me to purchase works really well. You just have to be on a constant schedule. Like, consistency is key when it comes to this. Another thing that I did this month was my inspection sticker. So I go every January. It was $35 to do my inspection sticker. As for apps, I paid $26 this month. That is with Spotify and QuickBooks. Not bad. I don't have anything else when it comes to apps. I know for next month we're gonna talk more about like the texts, like in the fonts that you see on my thumbnails. I have to pay that bill next month, so we'll talk more about that in February. And the last thing that I spent, it was $50 on my nephew. So it was his birthday recently and he just turned 6. I gave him the option to have a gift card or new clothes. He wanted new clothes, so I purchased him a couple like Pokemon shirts and some sweatpants for school for him. He was super thrilled. He's really into Pokemon, so I spent $50 on shirts and sweatpants, and he definitely needed clothes. My sister already like hinted at me that he needed clothes, not toys, because I know with the gift card, if I was going to give him a gift card, he was going to buy toys. But I'm glad that he chose clothes, because that's something that he really needed, and I feel like my money wasn't going to waste, because now I see him wearing the shirt and stuff that I got him, which is great. So for January bills, total was $1,596. Not bad at all. Of course, there was some like random things that I paid for that I normally don't pay monthly, but I don't think that this was bad. I think the worst bill that I had this month was the $350 for electricity. It's still in my head, like, why is it that much money? Like, kills me. Now let's get into my income. I was so thrilled when I add this up. I honestly wanted to cry because I haven't made this kind of money in a long time. For YouTube, I made $1,691. So you guys donated a lot with the super thanks. And even though YouTube takes 30%, which sucks, I still get that 70% and it goes into my AdSense revenue. So thank you so much for everyone that watches my videos, watches all the ads. I get paid more when you do that. The people that donate in the comment section, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, I feel like the words thank you are not enough of how grateful I am for you guys to still be here after all of these years. Like, thank you so freaking much. For Amazon, a lot of you guys order things off of my Amazon storefront. My Amazon storefront is always linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Everything I have in my Amazon storefront I use, and it also can save you money in the long run. I see a lot of other YouTubers just post like or buy like random things off of Amazon, and I'm very cautious of what I purchase so it doesn't end up in like a declutter bin. So for this month of Amazon, I made $563. So there was around 5,000 of you guys that ordered off of my Amazon storefront, and then there was about like 3,500 that just use my link and purchase what you need to purchase. I do get a commission off of me just bringing you to the platform, so you don't necessarily have to order the stuff that I have in my storefront. You guys can just click my link and order whatever you need, and I do get a percentage. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, because that is the most amount of money I've ever made on Amazon. So thank you. I really didn't think that I was gonna make that. Normally I make around like $180, and I'm still happy with those numbers. It's extra cash, but yeah, with that 563, it's just like mind blown. Another surprise income was that you guys were using my Osea affiliate coupon code, link or coupon code, however you say it, down below. It was $339 I got in commission. I was shocked. Like, I was at the table doing my bills, and I got an email from PayPal saying that I was getting paid from Osea from my affiliate program. And normally I make like $5 a month or maybe $2 every couple months. And then when I seen $339, I was like, I was ready to cry. I like ran up to my boyfriend and I'm like, look how much this is. Because it really does help me out with saving, and it helps me out with Milo and paying bills on time. So again, I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm so happy that you enjoy the things that I show you, like the Osea skincare stuff, the Pacifica skincare items, or even the Amazon items. You guys always take my recommendations really serious, so thank you so much. You guys are gonna get sick of me saying thank you in this video, but I am just so overwhelmed and grateful for the income that I received this month from my platforms and from you guys. Like, the support is unreal. Another little thing that I want to start adding into my monthly reset videos is my interest from savings. So I do have a high yield savings account and it is amazing. I think we're up to like 3.75% or maybe 4%. I'm not sure, but it is high considering like other banks where it's like 0.01. You make like a penny each year at your regular banks. So for this month of January, I made $46 in my savings with my money just sitting there. Yeah, so I'm gonna start adding that into my monthly reset. I didn't even think of doing that because it's something that I don't really look at, but I'm going to start looking at it more because $46, like, I don't know about you guys, but that's a lot of money with just my money sitting somewhere. I'm not doing anything, I'm not advertising, I'm doing nothing. My money is just sitting in that bank and I'm making money for my money just sitting there, which is great. I mean, it's not a lot, you know, in terms of like, if you invest it, you'll make a lot more, but I'm terrified of investing because I make less money. Like, I feel like when people are making low income, they're least likely to invest compared to someone that's making a higher income. Or maybe that's just me, but I'm a huge chicken when it comes to like actual investing. So to me, I'm happy with having a high yield savings account because that $46 can go towards paying a bigger bill, a small bill. It can go towards food. It can go towards anything, or it can go right back into savings like it has been doing. All right, so let's do a little bit of math like I always do in these videos. So we have $2,639 I made total from my income this month. I'm speechless. Like that's a lot of money to me. I normally don't make that kind of money. Even when I had a regular 9-to-5 job, I didn't make that. This means the absolute world to me. Just to see $239 as income, it's just like, I don't know, it's just so, I'm so happy. So like I said, we're gonna do some math. $2,639 minus the bills, which was $1,596. So with paying the bills, I have left over $1,043. That basically went towards the down payment of our future home. We're nowhere near close to even looking for a house, but we want to make sure that we have that down payment saved. Our down payment is going to be around $20,000 to $25,000. Gotta love Massachusetts. Obviously, we're going to split that in half, so around probably $12,000 to $13,000 each. So to save $1,043 this month with paying all the bills, doing everything correct, I'm blown away. I know there's some things that I'm doing wrong. I know I should be investing. I should be putting money into my Roth, which I still need to open one. Again, I'm not perfect. I'm not trying to be perfect. There's a lot of things that I'm not good at, and I do want to learn. I'm just afraid. I think I need guidance. Like, I need a financial advisor when it comes to like making investments for my retirement and my future self, because I'm good at saving for now, but I'm not good at saving for like 30 years from now, if that makes sense. But I know eventually I'll get there. I know eventually I'll stop being afraid to invest. I just don't know when, but I will get there. And yeah, I'm just happy that I got to save that amount of money. Most people would spend it. It's a low spend year. I feel like a low spend year, the minute you have that mentality, you're like, all right, I don't need this, I don't need that. I just need to do this and stay on the right track. There's no detours I'm taking. I'm staying on the main road when it comes to saving.